have you got here?
Some more food.
More food? Oh.
Strawberry, pineapple.
What are you gonna do with them?
You can cook them later.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna be baking a banana cake. Do you wanna?
Oh, look, we have a new visitor.
Oh, hi. Hello. Hey, everyone.
Hi.
Hi. Today we're gonna be baking
Banana cake.
Okay. So what do we need for banana cake?
Let's see the recipe.
Okay. We've
4
got
eggs.
4 eggs. 4 eggs.
Okay, I'm not gonna touch it.
No. And some sugar. I'm gonna be using brown sugar.
What? I thought you just touched the sugar.
But I'm gonna be using brown sugar today. And some butter.
Yeah,
Butter.
or vegetable oil.
But I'm using butter. And of course, for banana cake,
You need
bananas.
bananas.
I use very, very ripe, overripe.
They look like they have bruises like me.
Banana.
Boom, 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 boom.
Plain flour in here. And baking soda.
And baking powder.
And baking powder. Alright, let's get started.
Let's get cracking.
Ready?
Set. Let's go.
Okay.
So, Mama, what's the first step to making banana cake? Is it cutting the bananas?
First of all, we already cut the bananas, remember? Here, we already weighed them.
Ew, it smells.
And it smells of banana.
No,
And I'm going to be using my trusty Thermomix
Trusty. It's
to
not
make the
trusty.
banana cake.
It's not delicious.
Yeah. Okay, so first, we are going to have to crack the eggs in. Do you want to do it?
No, thank you.
4 eggs.
Okay. I'll count. 1.
1 egg.
Be careful. Always ask an adult for supervision while doing
Do you want to bring a stool here to stand so you can see what's going on inside?
Oh, sure. Just need to.
You use that stool?
Yeah. Let's see. Careful, I can't understand. Ooh, all I see is just an eggy mush. I see liquidy stuff and, you know, egg yolk. Anything.
Okay, there. Alright, 4 eggs. Okay, next. Next up, I'm gonna have to wash my hands first.
Yes, always wash your hands after doing all the messy food jobs. Now, we'll wait for her. Come on, please be quick. Please be quick. Please be quick. Natural brown sugar.
Okay. We are going to need. We're
It
gonna
looks
put
like
in.
brown rice. Just
Let's
more crystal
just-
sparkly.
Let's just put in 100 grams of sugar.
Do we
So
need
it's not
to?
too sweet. Yes. So weighing scale. Once will do. Alright. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Oopsie. Weighing scale is a little cuckoo.
Don't worry, guys. You guys need to get a new weighing scale.
So I don't want it to be too sweet.
Yes, we don't put too much.
Okay. Maybe this will do.
95 grams?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that enough? Okay, yeah, that should be good enough. Okay, that's okay. And then the
Ew, it
butter.
already smells you. Good thing you guys are only watching. You're not smelling it. You are very sensitive nose. You got very sensitive nose. What are we gonna do next? Are we gonna put butter?
Yes, we're gonna put in the butter.
I want to have butter sandwiches for lunch too.
Butter sandwich. Okay, we're gonna put in 180 grams. Can I have the?
At your service, boss.
Thank you. Okay, let's see. I've got some leftovers here.
Can I be the one pressing the tear next time?
Yes. Okay.
I only press the OK button.
Okay, and then
Can I lift the butter off the spatula? I will.
you can lick from here, not the spatula,
Why not?
because I'm gonna be using my spatula inside this. You can lick this.
Yay.
Go face the camera and lick it while I do the rest. Make me season it.
It's hard to put
I
it.
use pure butter. Oops.
Oh, never mind. You just need to. Just ignore it and after a while it will go away. Sorry, we got automatic water machine.
Pure butter because I want it to taste buttery.
Ooh, it's so oily. Oops, I gotta go wash my hands.
Yes, you do. So do I after this. Okay.
Oh, that's good.
Yummy.
Mm-hmm. gonna go wash my hands and maybe my mouth too. So I'll be off. Wow. Mama, you want to tango?
Okay, alright. I'm gonna wash my hands shortly too.
Oh dear. Seems that we need a wash hands break.
So now with that we've got the eggs, 4 eggs, the butter and the sugar in. Caleb, can you set it to 5 minutes?
2 minutes. I don't know, 8. 5 minutes.
Oops. Okay, yeah, there. And speed 3.5. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna wait for it for 5 minutes.
So in the meantime, let's play some games.
We'll be back.
Ew, they look like dinosaurs.
Okay.
Ooh.
You can top the banana cake with some chocolate chips, dark chocolate chips. So just sprinkle them in. You can, if there are extras, you can just eat. Just make as you like.
Yeah.
I just pour the whole thing.
What?
Yeah. I only use the finest Belgian chocolate, dark chocolate chips.
I won. If only I knew we should have stopped recording. We are almost done. Seems as though we have some extras.
Okay, a little bit more. Okay, that's fine.
And can't be honest.
Just a little bit more. And a few spots like here, and here, and here.
Are we done yet? You're using all the chocolate chips.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, we gotta get this.
I want more.
I want it done.
Two more.
One.
Here. Here. Oops. Here. Okay.
They look like an
And-
octopus head.
I'm gonna use the air fryer to bake it, but yeah, you can bake it in the oven for about 50 minutes.
Yes, have some.
At 150 degrees.
Oopsie.
Okay, we'll wait for 50 minutes. We'll see you after 50 minutes.
Okay, have some chocolate chips before you go. There you go. Munch on them. Come on, go.